loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today on my channel we are going to be doing some kind of glam DIYs because this video is being sponsored by TotallyDazzled.com. Now if you have never heard of TotallyDazzled.com, it is a website where you can buy some sparkly rhinestone and pearl embellishments for your everyday event, special planning like weddings or birthday parties or showers, or for doing an elegant tablescape. They have things like napkin rings and place setting card holders, or for home decor. You can embellish anything in your house from candle holders to vases and things with their gorgeous brooches that they have. Or you can use them like I'm about to do in some fancy DIYs. So stick around after this video, or actually somewhere during this video, because Totally Dazzled and I have teamed up to offer you guys a giveaway. We are going to be giving you a $25 gift card to shop on their site. So let's jump right into our DIYs. Okay, for our first DIY, we are going to be taking one of these 8-inch reforms. Now, if you saw my last video, I took a set of these. They come in 2 in a pack, and I took out the inner ring here, and what that looks like after that inner ring is removed is this, where you have these prongs left from the inner section. And how I took those off were with simple wire cutters that came from Home Depot that are very inexpensive. But these prongs are left on there after that. And so what you want to do is, once you clip off the inner ring, you're going to take some pliers. I just have some needle nose pliers here. Any pliers will do. And you're just going to grab onto that and bend it up. And it's very easy to do. I don't have that much strength in my arms, so you should be able to do that if you want to make this. And you're going to do that on all 3. I already did that one, and there's one left here. Then what I did is I took that piece outside and I spray painted it this silvery tone color. What I actually used was this Rust-Oleum mirror image spray paint. Now or mirror effect spray paint. I only had this and I wanted it silver. You can do any silver. I just was not going to go to the store and buy silver paint. So I did both sides of this, and as you can see, it's just a wider inner ring here. Now what we're going to do is I pulled out a whole bunch of beautiful brooches that Totally Dazzled sent to me, and they are stunning. Their pieces come in gold, silver, and rose gold, and I am in love with the silver. I pulled out, I don't know, about 12, 14 pieces here. Let's see, 6, 9, 10, 16 pieces altogether, I do believe. And we are going to be making a gorgeous brooch wreath. This piece can be used to hang up. It will be stunning in a bedroom or even in a fancy bathroom or something like that. Or you can leave it down as a reform and place something inside like a candle holder, so it goes around and embellishes that. So what I'm going to do next is I am just going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to take my brooches. Some of them have the actual pens on the back, and I am going to leave the pens on in case I change my mind and I want to use them for something else later. Then I can always take this project apart. And some of them are just plain flat on the back, and then some of them have like a little, and actually I don't think I have any of the ones that has the button closure on the back of them. I think the majority of mine have pens on the back because it is a brooch. So let me figure out the design I want to do, and we are just going to go ahead and glue these right onto the reform. As you can see, this is the reason I wanted to paint it silver so it matches the wreath. Okay, so here is where I am so far, and I had this one and this one left that I had pulled out because I liked both of them, and I just really don't have enough room to get them both on there where they both show up fully. I don't want to really overlap them that much. I really like this one. It has a little bit of a yellow stone in there, and I think it's pretty. I think I'm going to take this one away because none of the other ones have a yellow stone, and so I want them all to kind of go together. And then I have this one left that I'm going to put here, and then this smaller one here, but it's on a crossbar. So what I'm going to do is I've already checked to try to glue it down to make sure it will fit there, and it will. So I'm going to pull the pen off of the back of it. I think it'll be quite easy, and it just comes off with my pliers, and then I'm going to glue it down so I don't have to worry that it's in this section. I actually did that on one other one here. And then we're going to flip it over and add some hot glue into some of the other spaces to make sure that each piece is glued down, and then it is done, and it is gorgeous. Now, I want to remind you that I teamed up with TotallyDazzled.com today, and they are offering one of my subscribers chance to win $25 gift card to their site, where you will be able to buy anything you want off of their site. And let me just tell you, their merchandise is so lovely. They have beautiful sparkly rhinestone and pearl embellishments, from brooches to napkin rings to table setting holders. There are so many possibilities with the things that you can do. And their bling wrap, I absolutely love. You get 30 feet, approximately 30 feet. It's 10 yards of their bling wrap, and that is something you just cannot beat. So what do you need to do to win this gift card? First of all, you have to like this video. Next, be a subscriber here on my channel, and I know most of you already are, and if you're not, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and hit that notification bell so you do not miss the notification of who wins this giveaway. Also, go over to Totally Dazzled's YouTube channel, and I will have that link down in the description box down below, and become a subscriber over there, and make sure you turn on notification for them as well. And then say down in the comments section you want to win the $25 gift card, and that is it. That's all you have to do. So make sure you get that done, and at the end of the week I am going to be pulling a winner, and I will announce it in this video over on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me over there, and I will also put it in my community tab here on YouTube. Okay, for our second project, we're going to be utilizing one of these little like treasure chest like boxes from Dollar Tree. I picked up about 4 of these not too long ago. I am going to take off all of the hardware because I don't really like it being gold for this project, and I don't want the box to be natural wood either. Once I get all of these screws out and all of the hardware off, I'm going to put it inside of the box and then take it outside and spray paint it. We're going to spray paint it again with the same mirror effect spray paint, and then we're going to bring it back in and put it together. Okay, here we have our box, and I spray painted the bottom of the box with the mirror finish too. I actually got the inside of the top and the bottom, and it lightly just ended up spray painting the sides. I'm not going to leave the top of it blank here. We're going to actually paint it black, and so I'm going to pull out some black chalk paint that I also picked up at Dollar Tree, but we're going to put back on the hardware first, and I have the little screws to it here in another one just so I don't lose them. Here is our box all dry and finished. You can see the top is completely black and the sides all the way around are the mirror effect. Silver would be nice on this. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it gives it just a nice sheen, and the hardware painting it makes it look really, really, really high end to me already. And kind of a little bit of a rustic glam because you can see a little bit of the wood coming through, but we are about to take this to a whole new level with this stunningly gorgeous bow that is from Totally Dazzle. Look at that. Now tell me, does this not look high-end? Does this not look store-bought? Does this not look like something you would love to get as a present? You could put in a piece of jewelry and give this as a gift, and this whole thing was done very, very inexpensive. And Totally Dazzle, their items are so budget friendly, it is ridiculous. So we're gonna hot glue this down and this project will be all done. How simple was that? Okay, loves, that is it. I want to thank TotallyDazzle.com so much for sponsoring this video. Please remember to check the description box for all the links and the information for the giveaway so you don't miss out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things like this here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.